That good, boys? Put Wilf on the table. See if he'll go. I'll play with this then. Just try it. I'll see if he does. Look what he said. Put him down. See if they avoid each other. Wolfie! Come on then. Oh, sorry, Kuno made him jump. That was Kuno made them jump because he hit the table underneath. Come on. Oh, what's Wolfie got? Where, Wilf?
What?
Charlie. Hey, Casper. Hey, sexy boy. What are you doing? Look at the jelly. He just took that off Casper.
Took that off him.
Charlie took it off Casper. Oh, Casper took it off Charlie.
Yeah.
Oh, Charlie, what did he do? So another one in the kitchen. Whoa. Oopsie daisy. Oh, Kuno. He's causing a massive panic. Alright, sweetheart, come here. Come on, Charles. What happened?